Welcome, everyone. In an era where air power is key to maintaining military dominance, the United States faces a major challenge from its main competitor, China. With tensions rising in the Indo-Pacific region, the Pentagon has shifted its military focus to the region. One key strategy is through the development of advanced autonomous fighter aircraft and drones known as Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA). The Next Generation Air Dominance, or NGAD, program is the backbone of this strategy. NGAD is not only a program to create a next-generation fighter jet, but also a centerpiece of military technology innovation that includes the modernization of the F-22 Raptor and the development of advanced drones that can operate collaboratively on the battlefield. The modernization of the F-22 Raptor is a critical step in addressing threats in the region. With improved avionics, enhanced stealth, and the integration of CCA technology, the F-22 will remain a force to be reckoned with on the battlefield. However, the modernized F-22's role will not be just as a traditional fighter jet, but as part of a larger network where NGAD acts as the airborne command center. Future air combat scenario, NGAD will command air forces by issuing commands to multiple airborne platforms, including modernized F-22s and CCA drones. With this capability, the United States hopes to maintain a strategic advantage over China, which is also developing advanced military technology. However, the challenges facing the United States are not easy. China continues to invest heavily in military technology, including the development of its own autonomous fighter jets and drones. The question now is, will this modernization be enough to keep pace with China's rapid military advances? Or will it simply be an expensive project that ultimately provides no significant advantage on the future battlefield? Many military analysts believe that NGAD and F-22 modernization are important steps to ensure that the United States remains at the forefront of air technology. But as with all major military projects, there is a risk that the technology developed may not be worth the cost. Will we see the combination of NGAD, F-22, and CCA as an effective solution to future air challenges? Or will this just be another ambitious project that fails to deliver the results it was intended to? What do you think? Will this modernization be enough to maintain U.S. air dominance? Share your thoughts in the comments below.